What's up? Alright guys, let's go ahead. I am gonna make sure you guys can see what I'm gonna be working on. Oh shoot, this ain't gonna work. So I'll take this off my tripod here. Okay, I want to show you guys. You can't use the impact wrench. I tried. That's why. This is a pretty tight spot. So you guys can see, I did lubricate it with some WD-40, 14mm wrench, and then this one, I don't know if it's a 14 as well. I'm actually gonna try that, and then I'll redo the video again. As you can see, this is a pretty extensive downpipe. Well, pretty much the J pipe. I don't know if I even want to work with this J pipe. A lot of people said they have hard time working with it, so I'm excited for the exhaust system. Once I get this loosened up back here on this flange here, then I can go ahead and work my way back, taking off the axle backs. So, but this is the first thing I'm going to try and take off. I should be getting my exhaust. Get out of here. Ow. I hit myself. Yeah, so I was trying to use this guy. That didn't work out. Worked out on the other end. 14mm socket. I would recommend that. And then, like I said, man, banged my head pretty good. And then, like I said, the exhaust system is coming later on in the evening. So I'm gonna work my way into this, taking this off. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, so I didn't need the extension. 14mm on the end, and then it's a 12mm on the other side where the little bolt is at. So I'm not gonna lie, this thing is pretty tough to crack because it's so freaking rusted on the other end where the 12mm bolt is at. So it's gonna have to wait a couple minutes, and yeah, when I get done, I'll show you how rusted this exhaust system is, especially the factory exhaust system. So I'll show it to you guys once I get it off. Alright, I'm gonna show you how I get this done. I actually used the impact wrench. Oh man, finally worked out a lot easier. So I'm gonna switch out the 14 for the 12. Hopefully I have a 12. Do I have a 12? Oh man, I hope so. I don't have a 12. I kill myself. Because I know I can squeeze in the 12mm to the other side. Yep. Right here. We're taking out the 14. And we're going to work out alright guys, wish me luck. Oh my gosh, this thing is such a pain in the butt. Okay, let's fucking do this. Fuck. Get this right here. Work this side right on this side. Uh-oh. I don't know if this is gonna fit. Shit. Darn it. Ain't gonna do it. Never mind. Thought I could do it. Just gonna have to do it by hand again. Oh man. Never mind. Ain't gonna do it. It's not enough space for this big guy. Alright guys, let's do this. Oh my gosh. Finally got almost it off. So there's two hangers. had to use it. I use a strap just in case because of that S pipe was gonna fall back on me. So there's two hangers, one right here, and then there's one right here. So there's one on each end, and it's pretty tough to work the one on. If I can show you guys, it's pretty tough to work on. Where is it at? Yeah, on this right here. This one was pretty tough because it's such a tight squeeze. I use the pry bar. Where is it at? I use this guy. And what I did was I hooked it up right here, and I just immediately just tried to pry it back to where it came off. So I used the pry bar to actually pry it back. And finally this one came down, and then I had to hold the middle end because this piece is about to fall off. The only thing that's holding left is just the last hanger on the other side, which is right here. You guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? Right here. So that right there, you can see how it's such a tight fit. So other than that, I'm just waiting on FedEx to bring the exhaust. They should be here around I think they said 6 by the latest, so I can put it on, turn it on, see how the exhaust sounds like. So this freaking rear axle weighs a lot. It's pretty heavy, especially just using one arm. So I think this thing's close to, like, I don't know, 40 pounds from what I was told in the factory. So we'll see how this all works out. But yeah, other than that, everything seems to be good. But this is a rusted factory exhaust system. Like I said, I bought this car used at 38,000 miles. So you could see why this thing is, I don't know, 2-year-old car. So we'll see how. Just can't wait for a new exhaust. So that's it right now. All right. Y'all see that? Y'all see this? This thing is fucking heavy. What a piece of shit exhaust from the factory. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at this. Oh, alright. How rusted this thing is. Like I said, the rear axle back weighs a fucking ton. Jesus. I don't care about those chrome tips. It doesn't do anything. Oh my gosh. It is such a freaking pain in the butt for this. I'm waiting for the new exhaust. So, we're excited about this right now. Alright, he's here. Alright. Perfect timing.
Got the rest of your exhaust.
Yeah. Yeah, you can just set it right here. Alright. Oh, you think it's time? Alright, thank you. Oh my gosh, it is here. I am really excited. Let's go look at this. I want to say thanks to Import Image Racing. I want to say thanks to Josh hooking me up. We're out here, Import Image Racing. Oh, where's the Carven Cat-Back. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box. guys can see this. Bring it a little bit closer for you guys. Take a look at it. Right here. Check out this beast, son. Black ceramic coating. So it's extra. It's an extra. Well, I like the sketching on the where it says Carven right here. It feels pretty cool. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Down here. I'm really excited for this right now. So this is the flex pipe that they were talking about right here. It's in the center, so you can see how this is where this would attach to the mid. This is the mid pipe, but this is where this would attach at the beginning, where I was disconnecting at the at the midline of where the exhaust, where the catback started. So pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys all this. So and last but not least, this is the S pipe. You can see here how it's shaped like an S. Remember the hanger that goes to the S pipe on the stock exhaust? Oh yeah, there's some. Oh, I forgot about this. For every Carven, I forgot about that. Every Carven toe strap, every Carven Cat-Back exhaust system because it's a single exit, they give you the toe strap. So this is pretty cool. I'm actually gonna use this for sure. So pretty cool. They do give you the hardware for it. So. You also get a sticker, Carven sticker. Put that in here. You got the clamps here. Gasket. There's two clamps. There's a couple bolts in here. Oh, another sticker? No, another sticker. Okay, so I got two stickers now. So I am really excited for this. I always wanted to go single exit, and perfect timing. So I'm gonna lay out the exhaust, and then do a walk around and compare the stock exhaust to the Carven Cat-Back. So I'm gonna pause this video here. Alright, so you can see the big comparison right now going from the stock exhaust to the Carven Cat-Back single exit. Like I said, you are supplied with the two clamps, the gasket, and these two nuts and bolts are for the actual mid pipe in the front. So, which is great because I don't want to reuse the stock ones because they're so freaking rusted. But I do love the way this exhaust looks. So I like it. I love it. So just want to show you guys a quick rundown of what it looks like compared to the factory WRX exhaust. This thing is so freaking corroded. I don't really want to touch this thing anymore. It's so freaking heavy. The rear axles are so freaking heavy. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the install, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. All right, Josh. I'm gonna make a quick video here. I took everything off. I just wanna let you watch it first and see if you think I'm doing this right. So, coming over here. So basically, right, this, move video down here. Right. Basically this is the S pipe, and then this is the mid pipe. So basically, these two are supposed to like connect like this. This is a bigger gap, right? This would slide in, but I don't know, it's not really sliding in. You can see I'm having a hard time sliding this in. Okay, it won't go all the way in. So, and then I'm gonna show you the muffler tip. Let me show you that right now. So right here you can see how this is dented in. So I'm trying to show you the best thing possible here. You can see that right here, this side right here that I'm pointing at. So I'm just gonna put the stock back exhaust. Let me know what you think. Quick video update. I didn't get the exhaust installed. You guys will see a clip why the Carven exhaust cannot get installed. I'm actually in contact with Josh from Import Image Racing about the issue here. I don't know. I was really excited for the exhaust. Exhaust is not working out right now for the install, and so they're in contact with Carven Exhaust right now to see what's going on with the issue. But like I said, I can't slip on the S pipe or the muffler at all into both the pipes at all. The mid pipe works, but the S pipe and the muffler, they're not connecting. I don't know what's going on. So, like I said, just gonna wait and see how things work on their end, and then hopefully they can resolve this issue for me. So other than that, thanks for watching, guys.